Now, so about here, so got my bird feeder filled with stuff. Oops. Got my extra bird feed here. Hopefully I can carry it all the way. Got my snowshoes on. Going through this after my bird feeder because I got 2 feet of snow. I'll just have to carry this little. I got just a little handful of seed I couldn't fit into my bird feeder, so I'm and then just throw it on the ground. All right. So for my last video, gotta go a little slower. My bird feeder is heavy now, and I got it strapped to my scarf. I put my, well, there it is. I'm gonna switch hands because on this side I'm looking right into the sun. Here we go. Earlier, I went ahead and put the carabiners on my straps so they won't come off me in the heel, and I slipped off one and I went down the snow up to my knee. It's about 2 foot deep snow. Now coming up to the place where some of the snow is a little bit not as packed, but snow's been melting a little bit. It's been 0 or above 0 a little bit. Snow's melting. Alright, now I figured out a way to just gonna sit you up against the tree, set the phone up against the tree. Whoops. Yeah, I should have had it going. Oh, sorry. Alright. So, got a point where I think the branch is going to be. Let's see. It's right about here. All right. I'll point down a little bit more so you can see it.